Welcome back to our channel. My name is Natalia and I'm the Master Trainer here at LLBA. As a beauty professional, keeping your workspace clean and hygienic should be your #1 priority. Since we're working so close to the eye area, you always want your clients to be safe and feel comfortable. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly sanitize and disinfect your lash station. Let's get started! So, as I told you guys before, we're gonna be doing some demonstration on how to clean our tools properly. So on this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to properly clean. Remember, you guys have to make sure to follow the current country where you guys live, the rules or whatever you guys have there. What I'm gonna do is what we follow here in Ontario. It's not even in the whole Canada, it's just in Ontario and Canada. Just follow, again, make sure you follow your rules and then be safe. So I'm gonna be showing you. So after we finish with the client, everything that is not disposable, like your tweezers, your brushes, anything that you touched that it wasn't disposable, we have to wash them. And the way to wash them is the following. So the first thing, I'm gonna show you how to brush them, like how to clean your tweezers properly. So the first thing is we're gonna rinse them with water. Try not to touch. Then after, we get them with regular soap, like a lot of soap, and a nice brush. So with the brush, you wanna brush very gently all the tips and the handles, okay? So you wanna brush the whole tweezer everywhere. Make sure you do like a nice scrub, anything that is there. Remember that when we're doing lashes, sometimes clients have, I don't know, any type of bacteria or things like that. So this is where we wanna clean them. Okay, after brushing them, we wanna wash them again. And then with a paper towel, you wanna dry them a little bit just to take the excess of the water. So in Canada, there's 2 ways to fully disinfect your tools. You can use the CS20. This is a very high disinfectant agent. Or if you don't have it, you don't have access to it, they allow you to do alcohol at 70% and leave them for 30 minutes soaking in, okay? With this one, you only have to leave it for, is it 20 or 10? With the CS20, you only leave it for 20 minutes. With the alcohol, you have to leave them for 30 minutes, okay? But you have to be like soaking in. It's not just a spray, nothing like that. Like you have to soak the tweezers or any other tools inside the solution. So over here, I already have my CS20 already there. And this is a nice thing because it keeps the tools closed. So you just open it, it brings it up, and then kind of like take the solution out. Then you place your tweezers, your brushes, or whatever you need to disinfect, any like the lash leaf rods, anything that you have to reuse in clients has to go here. So then you close it. And then if you need to use it, most of the time what I do is like I have to, because I have like other sets of like tweezers. So what I do is like every other client, let's say after one client, I finish with one client, then I will take them out. And then when I come and clean the other ones, then I put it. So I don't time it, but if you need to time it or you have to like, you reuse it very quick, like you have like half an hour for you to have a break and then you need to reuse your tweezers, then time yourself, put 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we take them out. We rinse them. Very good. You wanna take all the solutions out of the tweezers. Also, you don't want to leave these overnight because the tweezers will rust. So basically you will damage your tweezers. Then with a clean towel, we put it there and you just dry them. you can leave them there, air dry them, making sure that they're properly dry, and that's it. That's all you need to do in terms of cleaning your tools, tweezers, any lash rods, anything that is reusable that you have to reuse in your clients. This is the proper way to do it. Okay, so now that our client has left, we also have to clean the bed. Even though we put a liner on it, I always clean it with anything that kills bacteria and viruses, so like Clorox or Lysol or anything you guys have in your country. Make sure you wipe everything very well. Once the clean is bed, everything is clean, we also have to clean the tray and anything that we have touched during our appointments. So in my case, I use this to rinse their lashes, the bonder. And then this one, we just throw it in the garbage. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions about sanitation and disinfecting, please refer to your local health regulations. You can also leave us a question in the comment section of this video, and we'll get to you as soon as we can. See you next time!